All right, good morning. It's a Monday morning. Feeling pretty good. We're looking to continue the streak that we've got on this demo account. Obviously, it's a demo account. So this money is not real. It's paper trading, but the whole thing is to nail down some strategies, just continue to get comfortable, find what works. Past 2 weeks or so, I've been reading, and I'm getting in the second half of the book, but I've been reading Anna Cooling's A Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis and trying to incorporate some of those lessons that I'm learning, some of those strategies that I'm learning. So, continuing to create a demo account as I familiarize myself with some of those concepts and try to implement them. I am in a short position right now. I don't really like to take a pre-market trade, but I got a nice signal here. I entered very small, so just 2 contracts. It looks like it might work out. So far, we're about halfway to the profit target. Yeah, like I said, I don't typically like to trade pre-market. I took this with small size, but signal was there. This is a level on a higher time frame, 4-hour time frame. We got the classic reversal, something on the book, right? You have a candle with a higher high, higher low, a lower high, lower low, and then we start to reverse right at an interesting area of where I'd expect resistance. You saw the exact same thing out right here. Dropped all the way down to this. So, kind of trusting price action. You can also see some big volume coming in as we approach this level. So, not a lot of push. Wow, and it just hit my didn't should sweep that. A profit. Why is it not? Very interesting. I'll call that. Quick win right off the bat, right? Could have held longer. That's a trade that probably could have been entered full size, right? But like I said, better safe than sorry. It's pre-market, so I wasn't too interested in taking a full size position there. I don't like to trade pre-market just because the volume's low, the price action is a little less reliable. You have less participants in the market, so sometimes I get a signal in the pre-market and I just don't trust it. But this was one that worked out, right? A little 30-point game. Still going. This could be a good one to have a runner. And maybe I'll kick myself for not taking full size and leaving. A win is a win, regardless. Happy to start the day that way. Yeah, just trying to incorporate the things I'm learning from studying volume price analysis. I might make some videos on that. I've been lacking in the video department, admittedly. I think because I am in a process of kind of learning and experimenting, I didn't feel like it would be most sensible to be putting out all these videos as I am trading, paper trading. The wins and the losses are all just on a demo account. I am trying new things out pretty regularly, so I don't know. I think I've just been taking the past couple weeks really to try to learn for myself before I try to make content around. But we are looking to get back into that swing of things, more regular, not regular, but daily recaps of trades and price action, etc. So that's what we're looking at. Other than that, what am I watching? Started out, and I need to mark actually Friday's highs, and I haven't done that, so pretty obvious. But yeah, just marking out levels on higher time frames, mostly the 4 hours, what I've been paying attention to. Where price is reversing those levels, and then documenting that on a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, and then going down into like a 5-minute time frame, waiting to get confirmation at those levels on the 5-minute, and then entering kind of on the. So it's a very, very quick overview. Kind of, I'm approaching trading right now. Yeah, going into today, we've been selling off, right? This is another concept, right? We had some accumulation here. The chop, couple days of chop holding the support, get big run up, Then we have a phase of distribution, right? You see some selling happening. That selling has brought us all the way down here. Still kind of weak. As you see that we were testing this area of resistance, failed to break above it, gave a reversal pattern. We're below all it, the 200, the 13, and the 48 EMA, correct? 213, 48. So all signs kind of point weakness. Be surprised to see us come back up here and target kind of liquidity, this bottom of this range that we have, 550, 547 to 560. Surprised to see us come back up and test that before we do anything. In terms of like dropping further, or maybe making a recovery. Yeah, that's really it. I've been yapping. I apologize. I've been yapping. But some updates coming soon. I'm gonna try to increase the quality of my videos and my streams. Maybe get a camera set up so we can do more of a live stream type thing. Just try to keep this thing progressing. But lately I've been just mostly focusing on improving my trading, as that is my main. Alright, with that, I'll chill on all the yapping. I'll listen to jazz and wait for setups. Yeah, I'll call something out if I see it. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Good luck if you're trading. Get into it. Unless I do have news today. We have home builder confidence at 10 a.m. Eastern, and at the same time, Austin Goolsbee is starting a speech. So, could see some volatility half an hour into the market. So, in about 25 minutes is when that's set to come out. Are getting like a little bit of a bear flag on the 2 minute, but I don't put a ton of weight in patterns and things. Usually the 5 minute is kind of like that I go in terms of a time frame to a price action. 2 minutes great for entries. But yeah, I would not see us push up this area liquidity up here. Also got kind of joining. Got some confluence there between the 13, which is the red one, 48, which is kind of this gold. Might change the colors a little bit just to differentiate between the 200 and the 48. 200 yellow, 48. Let's see. What's that? What color should we make it? We have a red, we have a yellow. Kind of like a light green, maybe. Do it that way. Oh. But you see, we come up, we test it. Testing this area. Big things we're watching, right, are volume and price action. Strong, weak, we have volume accompanying. that weird greenish yellow. Do blue, purple. I kind of. I'm gonna play with that. I'm gonna do it off stream so you guys just sit and bear with that. I might update the color schemes. I kind of like that. I like these levels being. I'm a big fan of cool colors. Blues, greens, purples. I kind of want to do like a retro color layout. That'd be sick. Yeah, so far we're not seeing that rejection that we'd expect, right? In fact, what we did see is we saw this sell-off. We saw volume kind of decrease down here. We saw price action slow down here, right? We get this little wick indicating that there are some buyers present. We get smaller candle bodies showing that the selling pressure has died down from this move. And then we get an increase in volume as we start to move up. So this is a pretty bullish pattern, or candle. See how it closes? And left on it. That volume's coming in, moving higher. We got a wider spread on the body. We are testing that 200 EMA, and we have this resistance here, so I wouldn't expect this just to blow right through. If we do, then that's obvious sign of strength. But that 5-minute close as well, quite bullish. Completely engulfed the previous. But in this range, I don't want to take anything, right? Still have a clear direction, or we establish kind of a range that we're going to trade within. I took this trade here, I took top of the range. Got a quick out of it, I'm happy. Basically just looking for the 2-to-1 trades and leave a runner ideally. See, 200 EMA, drop. You see that volume coming in. It's already pretty high volume. Less than a minute. Already over half the weight of this previous. So we could come right back down. In terms of big news coming out this week, we don't have much. Thursday we have more. Thursday's kind of big news day. Jobless claims, home sales, economic index, and then Friday as well. We have PMI, consumer sentiment. Really, Thursday and Friday are the big days. Today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Maybe some more of that volatility later in the week when we have information coming out around jobless claims and PMI. Now, see, this is interesting, right? We get a bearish engulfing. We get one of the higher volume candles on the day that supports it, right? We get that rejection off the area we'd expect rejection. Get the very bearish close on that. And we get the accompanying. Sellers are still very much so present up in this area. Still got some time on this 5-minute close, but looking at this lower time frame, 2-minute, I'm seeing. If we break this low day that we have so far, I'd expect us to come down to this like pre-market low. So a level 4-hour time frame. See, hold up right here. Look at that. So what am I seeing? If I extend this back, this is based on this price action.
Hello.
Rejection here, 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 here. We get some support here and here. Support here. Broke it, came down, tested it. And then you see in the pre-market pretty much touch that point. What's up, Yvonne? How you doing, man?
Hello, man. Good morning.
Morning.
New week.
Yes, sir. How was your weekend? Looks like you had a good time.
Oh, yeah. But still a lot of hangover.
How's that ink risotto?
Oh, that's so tasty, man.
So did you catch the cuttlefish, bro? Is that what you're telling me?
Yeah.
How the hell do you catch a cuttlefish? Like, use
I
bait
like
or something? Like, what are they, how do you catch them?
No. I spearfish.
What? For real?
Yeah, man.
Dude, that's sick. You snorkel or scuba dive?
Snorkel, of course.
So they're in pretty shallow water?
Pretty much, usually, yeah.
Is there any, like, limit as to, like, how many you're allowed to keep? Or I'd assume so, because are cuttlefish kind of rare? Are protected at all?
They're not protected, but I mean, I don't have any license.
Okay.
So technically, it's not legal.
Gotcha. Alright, I won't tell anybody.
Yeah, please don't.
Yeah, man, I love seafood. I've lived places with great seafood all my life until now. I miss it.
So when you come to Croatia, you don't have to worry about.
Dude, I'd love to come to Croatia. Let's see what a plane ticket looks like. Not that I have the money, but if it's cheap, maybe. What would be like the airport to fly into? Split, or is that
Split or Zagreb? Maybe Dubrovnik, Zadar.
actually it's not that bad. It's like about $1,000 round trip. Not terrible. I was looking at flights to Japan, and it was like 2,000 round trip. So half of that, that's not bad at all.
Yeah.
You know, put me up somewhere, you know, make me sleep in a bush. Give me a bottle of wine, put me in a bush. No, I'd love to come out there, man. Actually, sick.
Yeah, we'll see what we can do. You will have somewhere to sleep and everything.
You're always welcome out here too. You need some. I don't know if you want to come out here for any reason. I don't know why you would, but
Why not? I mean, I always wanted to come in America.
yeah, you're welcome, man.
Thank you. Thank you. I will. One day I will visit for sure.
Is there anywhere in like particular you want to see?
I mean, it's all the basics, all the
Like New York City.
yeah, and everything like that.
New York City's pretty crazy. I'm not even much of a city person, but it's pretty wild.
Yeah.
I know, I was saying I'm super cool, like pretty close to Fuli actually. He's only like one state away, 2 states away.
What did you say? Sorry, you're lagging.
Oh, I was not saying I'm pretty close to Fuli.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Texas is also a fun place.
I've never been to Texas. Well, other than like airports in Texas, but I've never done anything in Texas. Yeah, I could fly to where he is in Texas for like $100.
That's nice.
He came out close to me actually last winter, and I missed him. You see anything you like in terms of section? Any trades you're waiting for?
Yeah, if spy holds here, I can see like SMT on 5 minutes. So if
Yeah.
spy like hold this area and goes up, I'll try to enter long somewhere around previous all-time highs.
It looks like it's holding that 5-minute lower wick is crazy.
Yeah, and I have that trend line on 1 minute
Nice, yeah.
from that recent pre-market.
Yeah, I see it.
Recent pre-market high and now today's high.
I took a little short in the pre-market on NQ. I only took it 2 contracts, but it worked out nice.
Nice.
Right before the market opened.
Okay, nice. Did you hold it until open or?
I did. Yeah, I got like I hit my 30-point target.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, and then it dropped like another 25 points after that. It was pretty nice. I got a good entry and everything, but yeah, I don't like pre-market trades very much, so I only took 2 contracts.
That's really nice.
I really recommend that book I'm reading, The Complete Guide to Volume Price Analysis. I feel like it's helping me see things a lot better.
Yeah, man. I don't know where I can get it in Europe, but I'll try.
I'll
Audiobook or something.
hey man, I can give you a link to just like a free PDF online. You can download it or whatever.
Okay. Yeah, you can send me.
I'll post it in the page not found.
Although yes, I'm not that much of a book reader, but I also enjoy physical book.
Yeah, no, I understand that. I mean, you can get it off of like Amazon. You guys have Amazon out there? You surely do.
We have Amazon, yes, but it's like a German. The main one is German.
Oh.
And we don't have a lot of stuff like you have.
Crazy. Yeah, Amazon here is like you can do everything off of it. You don't need to leave your house.
Yeah.
Alright, well the PDF link that I was using, I think you got taken down.
No worries.
Alright, never mind. I got you.
You can just send me the name of the book. I'll try to find it later.
I got you.
Yes, Spy is also moving, so I'm more watching Spy than NQ.
I just put it in general chat. Oh, is it gonna make you gotta document, download, subscribe? I make it's not free. Anyways, that's the name of the book.
Including Forex.
I'd heard a lot about it. I have to say it's not like overly complicated really, but it's just been nice. I've been trying to apply it.
Okay, as long as it's helpful. You know, it's looking pretty weak at the moment. So I don't know what to think.
And Q's kind of in a little support area down here.
Yeah. third time that SPY is holding that low. Yeah, SPY is now in the middle of the range, so no.
What's up, man?
Hello.
Not in anything now. We will trade in the pre-market, but that's it.
I did too. You went long or short?
I took a short on NQ.
Some wild action. I got kind of lucky just now.
So
Loser. Ugh.
This
Terrible trade.
NQ move is insane. Boosting, super tough.
This is what I thought I was gonna do earlier.
Yeah, SPY broke the trend line on 1 minute.
I bought into that and held that freaking till now.
Nice.
I mean, it's green, but I'm not happy with how I traded.
You oversized or something?
Oh, for sure.
It's always nice when you oversize and it works. Not a good practice, but better than losing.
In the long run, it's gonna. I already know in the long run, it's gonna like really mess me up one day.
Oh,
That 5-minute candle on Q is insane. It's going crazy right now.
yeah.
I'll try to hold this one. I got a little bit left.
Little bit of Monica.
Did that short work out for you in the morning?
Yes, sir. I only took 2 contracts. Yeah, I took small size because, yeah, exactly. It was like a setup that I was looking for, or like I really liked it, but I just don't trust pre-market all that much.
Another day where it had like a pretty decent move around 8 to 8:30.
Hmm. Yeah.
Happened on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of last week. What time did you take that trade?
I entered at, let me see. It would be 9:26 your time.
Oh, okay.
So at the top of that 5-minute candle, pretty much. I had a resistance right there, and it like gave a kind of a reversal pattern on the 5-minute. And then I entered and it dropped right after. Worked out. I held it through open. But yeah, it was only 2 contracts. But fine with it.
I was going over some like market stuff over the weekend. I realized that the 30-minute candles are pretty amazing.
30 minutes?
Yes. Like 30-minute candles. They tend to like go pretty good. As far as like breaking to the downside, using them as like stops.
Mm-hmm. Does that cause like a pretty wide range though? Or like a pretty wide risk?
It does, but if you can keep that in mind with your entry, it could work out sometimes pretty nice.
Nice.
You used to use 15 minutes for that, right?
I used to use 15, and then after like my little research, 30-minute is like so much better.
Yeah, I use the 15-minute for like overall trend kind of, or like directional, but I use mostly 5-minute for determining how am I getting a trade.
Like using those candles as stops.
Mm-hmm.
10-minute, you'll get it works 33% of the time, so it doesn't really work. 15-minute candles work like 55% of the time, and then the 30 minutes work about 73% of the time.
Okay.
Do you guys have Trading View on computer?
I use Thinkorswim.
Yeah, I don't. I was just using like their browser version whenever I use it, but I just trade off Tradeovate's like desktop platform.
Okay. Okay.
Still going.
Can you run C on the web application? Is this sticker working for you right now?
Here, let me see. Let's take a look.
Yeah, do you have the same issue, like some data issue?
Check it out.
For me, that doesn't pop up.
What is that? Use soil. TradingView doesn't just let you like go to charts. It's trying to get me to sign up. Give me a minute and I'll check it out. Log into it. Crude oil.
Yeah, I see it on TradingView.
Yeah, it seems to be working for me.
working. Can you see like today price section?
Oh no, you're right. It stopped on November 15th.
Yeah, I don't know why, man. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, something's weird. It doesn't give me anything past the 15th, last Friday.
Yeah, it's sad because I use that ticker to trade future soil.
Are you guys into Marvel?
Not really.
No.
I mean, I like it.
There's a Marvel Rivals coming out on December 6th. I'm not big into like Marvel either, but the game looks pretty cool.
Marvel game.
Marvel Rivals. Oh, nice push.
Yeah, it was pretty.
My stop is pretty far, but I guess it kind of helps me be patient.
It's a third person.
That's like Overwatch, pretty much.
Oh yeah. I start watching Arcane season 2.
I don't know what that is.
Oh, that's like Netflix
Oh,
series.
Gotcha. Oh,
Yeah, about League of Legends.
You play that?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Oh, I never played that. I can't do the whole MOBA thing.
Yeah, maybe
Maybe I
better,
just
man.
don't understand it.
No. The game is. Sorry, what?
I was gonna say I used to play like StarCraft, like way back in the days. That's as close as it
Yeah.
gets for me. You remember that?
Yeah, but I never played.
Q is
Age of Empires.
Age of Empires slaps. I used to play that when I was a kid.
Yeah.
Ottoman Empire, the Persians. She was
I
fire,
just
dude.
remember I was like maybe like 10 years old learning about William Wallace.
That's dope.
It's a Braveheart.
Yeah. He was in Age of Empires too, though. William Wallace.
Mel Gibson.
That's a classic.
There's one Croatian movie now on Netflix.
A what?
Croatian.
Croatian.
Yeah,
What is it?
it's about people on one Croatian island.
Watch barely. Interesting.
If you wanna watch it, I mean it's Croatian audio, but you have subtitles in English.
Interesting.
It's called The Priest Child. The Priest Children. If you wanna watch it and then tell me what you think about it.
I'll take a look.
Do you know these people? Yvonne?
No.
Oh. A priest gets an idea to pierce condoms before they are sold in order to increase the birth rate of his island. Is that it?
Yeah.
Say what?
I mean, movie is pretty crazy, so if you wanna watch it, it's.
Is it based on a real story?
No, I don't think so.
Are you one of his children, Yvonne? The chosen one?
Maybe, I don't know.
I owe my life to him.
Still holding it.
Have you ever been to New Smyrna, in Florida? Abe?
Heard of it? New Smyrna Beach. Where's that at?
It's north.
It's like West Coast.
Yeah, it's on east.
Oh, is it? No, I've never been there. Never even heard of
It's like just south of like Daytona Beach.
it. Hmm.
It's a lot more chill though. It's pretty dope. A lot less like developed.
That's far, yeah.
I have family around like the Daytona Beach area, so we'd visit and go there.
That's pretty cool. No, I've never been there.
It's like a much quieter. It's kind of crazy because it's like pretty close to Daytona Beach, but like way less developed and just like less hotels and condos and stuff along the beach.
Mm-hmm. Looks nice.
Yeah, it's the shark bite capital of the world. Yeah, a lot more chill.
I don't even bother going to Miami Beach because it's just
Yeah, I'd imagine it's pretty nuts. Dude, also, by the way, I was creeping. You shred, bro.
I used to. I still got a little bit, but
That's dope. I was watching some of your skate videos. I was like, all right, putting it down, dude. It's tight.
wish I recorded more when I was younger, but
Yeah. I mean, my friends longboarded. We had like little camcorders and stuff and recorded quite a bit, but like I don't think any of it's like, I don't know, maybe my friends have it on like a hard drive somewhere.
nice.
But I don't have access to any of that. Dan Q's ripping. Waiting to see if it pull back.
Stronger.
It just kind of broke out of a bull flag on the 2 minute.
That's good. Definitely stronger than Spy.
Interesting, because in the morning it was weaker than Spy. Stronger now. Jeez. Crazy. Move up is straight vertical.
That
Insane.
play was a little sad.
Yeah, it was pretty boring. I was,
It's just that like his training, like his training videos that he put out, Mike, he looked pretty good.
yeah.
Like in his training videos, but day of the fight, he like from the walkout looked bad.
The way I like saw it is it looked like his upper body was healthy and his lower body looked like a 60-year-old.
Mm,
Like he was so flat-footed.
strap on his knee and all that.
Yeah, and he just like did not move very well. He could still throw punches, but like his legs and hips and everything, you could tell like just looked like mobile.
He looks so good in his like training, which is I don't know, it's just weird. He was against his like his trainer or whatever. He was hitting him hard. Day
Yeah.
of the fight, just nothing.
Might also been in the contract.
Yeah. Could be.
Jake Paul's like, I won't knock you out. You can't really throw punches. We'll just scam everybody for millions of dollars.
The glove biting.
That was weird.
Apparently he does it a lot in his fights, but still kind of weird.
Damn, man. Maybe I should have got the breakout on the bullflag. This move up is insane.
I'm still in a little bit.
Nice. Yes, going up as well. Yeah, broke out. Beautiful. Getting a little bit of resistance now on ES.
Yeah, it looks good.
Oh no, it looks solid. I'm not kind of scary. I'm just I was just looking back on the chart. Kind of in an area where it chopped a little bit over the weekend.
Oh man, I'd be up a ton if I held everything I had.
NQ is crazy. It's just printing like 50-point candles one after another with no pullback at all. What is happening? About to just long it and just not even care.
So my stats say that when there is a reversal, it usually happens 70% of the time it happens before 10:30. So after 10:30, there's like a 30% chance that there's going to be a reversal. So this is probably just going to keep going up for the rest of the day. But you never know.
I do have NQ hitting a resistance right now. Just touched it. But it pulls back and gives me an entry. Or we'll just keep going straight with no red candles for the entire day. Untradable price action.
It's almost halfway from the Friday 5.
Should be hitting resistance around here. Let's see what it does. On ES, this is like the 5th time that it's hit this area. And Q already broke that time.
NQs actually kind of pissed me off, I'm not gonna lie.
Going up.
Yeah, but I know, like, if I tried to get in, it's just gonna pull back as soon as I get in. Just trying to be patient, but I can't trade this. Just 60-point vertical candles.
The way last week was, though, I mean, just my opinion, I'd be scared to go short.
I'm not looking to go short.
Yeah, no, I'm just saying though.
Yeah. I just wanted to pull back so I can get.
People wanna sell high.
No, for sure.
The way this market has been, it's don't do that. That thing, if it burned me last week, trying to sell high, buy low.
I guess at least I got a little win in the pre-market because I don't know if I'm gonna take a trade if it keeps doing this. Just-
That's the thing. Like right now, it's like you're in or you're facing.
grab some coffee.
I don't know, boys.
Yeah. Not giving much opportunity here.
Yeah. I didn't get that retest on Spy. I didn't see my entry, so there's nothing for me to do here.
It's just going up.
Hmm
I got
It's
5
hard for me to
contracts. I'm
trade
just
it.
letting ride.
Oh, you're still holding?
Yeah, I got a couple of contracts. My entry
Why are
for
PQQ?
5 were around 895, 896.
896. Nice.
Yeah,
So you're up more than 20 points.
something like that. Yeah.
Nice.
I held through that pre-market though, which was not good. UI.
There's not much levels on the ES here.
Like all of Friday just dropped and never came back up. There's like no resistance till like maybe 9:30.
Yeah, that's around Friday highs.
Hidden Key's kind of doing a little bull flag. I have a level right around like 670 that it's holding, and seems to be forming a flag. Breaks out, I might look to take it.
Buy new high. High day.
Jednostavno razorena i sada nemate ništa. Morate iznova graditi. Prvo svoju prošlost, tražiti svoje korijene, zatim svoju sadašnjost. A ako vam ostane san, odložite i nemojte biti san budućnosti.
shit's wild.
Yeah.
Still going.
Yes, yeah. He's looking a little stronger. He's been sitting here for a little bit. I actually think I might head out. I don't trade anymore. See you guys tomorrow.
Not really.
Take it easy. Good stuff. That was a good move. You got shit, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Keep holding. It might go another 30 points.
Stop him, please. We'll see.
Nice. Is that on a funded?
It is, yeah.
Let's go, dude. I want to see you make bank, buddy. Alright. I'll see you guys. Take it easy. Have a good day.
See you, bud.
See you, man. Enjoy.
Thank you. Alright, I'm gonna head out for the day. Might still run up. It's looking like it might kind of form a little bull flag holding this level of resistance turn support. Got big volume on this move up, low volume on kind of this like consolidation pullback, but still holding this. Still looking good to the upside for all intents and purposes, but I got a little win on the day, and I don't want to force anything, and it's getting kind of to the time to get off, so I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.